Okay, here's Gimpy in his little green sweater.
And he has anger issues about his little sweater. Come on, you gotta get...
Make him come over here onto this thing. So
No, it's too hot. It's too hot for him.
Nah, he's extreme tropical.
Can you see him better?
No, he's desert. You gotta get him to jump again, Charlie. Jump, buddy. There you go. Jump again. There you go. Come on. One more. Give me one more. Come on. Get that big smile. And the tail whip. He just smacked himself in the nose. Way to go there, Chief.
Wow, he got pretty far.
Alright, run. Run.
Over here.
Run away. Run away.
Everybody go that way. See if he'll go towards you.
No, he'll go. Look, his beard's all black. He is mad.
His beard?
Yeah. Alright, run.
Get Lou over here.
Lou will eat him.
I know, that's what I said.
Lou's chilling.
Yeah, I just wanted to get lost.
You're gonna bite Mama's toes.
Bite my foot? Bite my shoe?
He almost kicked him in the head.
Stick your shoe out there, see if you bite. Or is it all for show, or will he actually attack?
Stop it! I know what to do.
Stick out.
Wow! Whoa!
Uh-oh.
Uh-oh! He made
Oh, he got out of it!
Oh, the Gimpy, yeah.
Hey, hey, hey! Come here.
And that's...
Smile big.
I want to get inside his mouth. Okay.